MotoGP Aragon 2019 live stream. After the Italian MotoGP Series race was held last week, the riders will then compete again at the Aragon Circuit. Watch the competition of Marquez, Fabio, Quartararo, Maverick, Vinales, Valentino, Rossi, Andrea, Dovizioso, Rins and other riders through live broadcast and live streaming here. Click the blue link below the description to watch. Aragon Grand Prix MotoGP 2019 free streaming. Motorland Aragon first hosted a Grand Prix in 2010, becoming the sixth different circuit that has been used for GP racing in Spain, in addition to Jerez, Catalonia, Girona, Montjuic and Valencia. This is a country which is passionate about motorcycle racing, having produced some great champions down the years including Angel Nieto, Cito Pons, Alex Cribble, Donny Pedrosa, Jorge Lorenzo and Marquez. A state-of-the-art venue, the Motorland Aragon Road Racing Circuit was opened in 2009 to continue the rich local heritage of racing which had seen years of exciting street races in nearby Alcon East, a town that hosted racing events between 1963 and 2003. Click the blue link below the description to watch Aragon Grand Prix MotoGP 2019 free streaming.